is the upholder of my life. Behold, the Lord is the upholder of my life. O God, save me by your name, by your power, defend my cause. O God, hear my prayer, give ear to the words of my mouth. Behold, the Lord is the upholder of my life. For the proud have risen against me, and the ruthless seek my life. They have no regard for God. Behold, the Lord is the upholder of my life. See, I have God for my help. The Lord sustains my soul.